Uh, Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a real easy recipe for you. Excuse me a minute before I go any farther. You know I can't look over in the light. That ring light be blinding me, so that's the reason I don't be looking over there. If anybody be wondering, if you're kind of new to my channel, and welcome if he is. But what I'm going to be doing today is hot chicken salad. I don't know if you ever had a hot chicken salad before, but this is a delicious recipe. A lot of times I use it just for entree for dinner. So first of all, I'm going to tell you guys what the ingredients is, and then I'm going to mix it up because it's real easy to mix, and it's just a delicious recipe. You won't go wrong trying it. I want you to let me know in the comment section, have you ever tried a hot chicken salad before? Okay, what you're going to need, I have right here, I have 2 cups. And then I got some extra chicken that I'm going to put in there probably. But I have 2 cups of cooked chopped chicken. These are chicken thighs, but sometimes I use the chicken breast. All I do is just season the chicken up and cook it. And then cool it and cut it up. Now, I think once before I have fixed this with canned chicken, but you just cook your chicken, get your 2 cups out of it, and that's all you need. But make sure you season your chicken when you're boiling it, or either you can bake it. If you have a leftover rotisserie chicken, you can use that. Okay, I have 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. You're gonna need that. And this is 1 cup of mayonnaise. 1 cup of mayonnaise. And this right here is a tablespoon of lemon juice. Is that what I can see?
Mm-hmm.
I know y'all know I ask that all the time, and every time I look over there, I don't know if I be looking at it or what. Okay, and this right here is a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. But you do that according to taste. Because normally I don't need anymore. I make sure I season my chicken up. If you want to put any other kind of seasoning in your chicken, just feel free. Just ever how you would boil your chicken to get you those 2 cups of chicken. Okay, this is 1 cup of bell pepper sauteed, 1 cup of onion sauteed, and this is 1 cup of celery sauteed. And this is 1 sleeve of unsalted saltine crackers that I just put it in this little storage bag and just crushed them up. They got to be crushed up. That's just 1 sleeve of those saltine crackers. Okay. Let me move this back. I think what I'm going to do, because I'm running kind of short of time, I'm just going to get my mixing bowl over here and just go ahead on and mix it, and I'm not going to go off. But let me tell you this first. This is baked in the oven at 325 for anywhere from 35 to 40 minutes to done, just to done. Okay, and this is you can use whatever one you have, whatever kind you have, but this is a 2 quart, and maybe a little more than a 2 quart casserole dish that I'm going to be baking it in. So, let me get my mixing bowl. This is very simple, and I don't think I'm even bothered about it. I've already, I know I'm getting in the camera stuff. Sorry about that. Wipe my top so I can. Show you just how easy it is to mix this up. I'll just go ahead on and mix it up, and we'll get it put in the oven and get it baked. And then I come back and do my usual, serve you guys up a bowl. me move some of this stuff back out my way. It ain't really no particular order. It's got to be mixed up in, but you know I like to always do mine in a particular order. Then I'm gonna dump my chicken in. Go in with those 2 cans of cream of chicken. I know y'all be saying when you see me get stuff out the can, is she gonna just try to get every drop out? Most of the time I do. If I wasn't on camera, I would. There ain't no sense in waste and stuff. I know all y'all agree with me on that. I had my daughter doing the same thing. One time she told me I was talking, and we was in the kitchen talking, and I was mixing something. And I was kept going in the can and getting the stuff. She said, "Mama, throw that can away. There's nothing else in there." And I realized how, what I was doing, and it tickled me. I'm gonna mix that just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my that's that 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can use fresh a fresh lemon, or you can use the lemon juice. It's always easier for me to use lemon juice because I don't always have a fresh lemon on hand. And I'm sprinkling 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and salt over in there. I'll go in with my vegetables. This is the 1 bell pepper. You put that over there in the garbage bowl if you can. I didn't bring me a garbage bowl. And this is the 1 cup of celery. Now I can taste. You really, when this recipe was first given to me, the recipe wasn't given. It wasn't given to me with the. The instructions didn't say saute your onions, your vegetables and stuff. But after I did it the first time, I just started with, this was years ago, it would be best to saute them. Don't you just really have to cook it longer probably. To make sure all those vegetables in there was done. That was 1 cup of onions, I think. Okay, this is 1 cup of mayo. Now guys, use whatever brand that you use with this stuff. Unless if somebody was paying me to advertise for them. I don't do all of that. This is so good to me. Okay, just go in with this. Go ahead on and put these crushed crackers in there. And that's it. Just mix it up and put it on in your throwing them everywhere. Is it mixed well? And okay, you guys, I'm gonna go off and put it in a dish and put it in the oven and bake it up. And then when I come back, this will be finished. Like I told you, 325 for 35 to 40 minutes. You see what it's looking like? It's looking just like your regular chicken salad, but it's hot and it's absolutely delicious. Me and my friend that gave me this recipe, we was talking the other day. We was like, this is if you try this recipe, you're gonna say this is almost a dressing. It tastes like dressing, you know, like chicken dressing. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead on and get it in my bowl and get it in the oven and everything, and I'll be back to show you the finished product. Okay, everyone, this is the finished product of the hot chicken salad. I'm gonna let you see what it looked like. It's sort of like I told you, it smells like a dressing. Absolutely smells delicious, and it also looked like a dressing. Well, at least my dressing. Okay, I'm gonna let my husband move back out the way. It's piping hot right now, but I'm going to serve you up a dish and let you see what the texture and stuff look like, and then and that will be it. But so let me go ahead on and end this video. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified, and leave me a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know down in the comment section, have you ever tried hot chicken salad? If you haven't tried hot chicken salad and you try this, you are in for a treat, because it's easy, simple, and delicious. I eat mine with crackers, and I have, like I said earlier, I have used it for entree. Now let my husband move over, and then I'm going to come over and serve you up a dish of this hot chicken salad. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna just try to get you one big spoonful because this stuff is hot. And if I didn't tell you earlier, I put it in a greased casserole dish. This is some of the best chicken salad ever. You see how far I'm keeping it away from my hands? My thumb and then that other part of it. So, okay, you guys, this is it. You can see it. Absolutely delicious. Alright, guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.